I've just made it to the finals of Miss South Africa 2010. It is so exciting.
I feel so excited. I'm shocked because the other girls were beautiful, and I'm just humbled to be part of this, part of the top 12.
I think it's relief, but we're all feeling quite sad about the girls that had to go home. We've made some lasting friendships, so on the one hand it's joy, and on the other hand we have heavy hearts.
Thank you.
I'm very humbled, I'm very grateful, I'm excited, I'm anxious to get started, to work, to build on my knowledge and to grow as a person and prepare for the final event.
I'm so excited. I just can't wait, and I can't wait what the day holds for us. So yeah, just good luck to everybody.
I'm a bit shocked. I'm very surprised, but I'm also very heart-sore to see all the girls go. I'm sad we didn't get to say goodbye to them.
First person I'm going to tell is my mom.
I'm in a state of shock, but it's like an elation almost, It still has to sink in that this is reality, But otherwise, I'm elated. Like, I can't even describe it.
To be honest, I feel really mixed emotions because I'm saying goodbye to a lot of girls that I've gotten really close with. So it's kind of happy and sad, but of course I'm really looking forward to the road ahead.
I'm feeling so relieved, and honestly speaking, I feel so humbled because we have been spending a lot of time with the rest of the girls, and so obviously we know the type of people they are, how strong they are. So I mean, I'm sure it was really honestly a hard decision for the judges to make.
I am beyond ecstatic. There are no words to describe how I feel at the moment. I'm a little bit sad to say goodbye to my friends I've made over the past 4 or 5 days, but otherwise trying to stay focused and trying to still keep in mind why I'm here.